Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Lincoln MKZ. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, universal garage door opener, power tilting steering wheel, compass. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury.